Welcome to this quick guide on optimizing system performance in HAPBX. If you are using a small server with a large number of calls per minute, alleviating the server usage is key. Various optimizations can be made, so our server is not fully loaded in peak time. One of these optimizations can be done with how the CDR operates, using the CDR settings in this module. In this module, you can enable batch mode for the CDR. With batch mode, instead of logging every call in the CDR as each call ends, the data will be stored in a buffer. The max batch size defines how many calls are stored in the buffer. Set this parameter based on your expected call volume. The max batch time is how often in seconds the calls are transferred from the buffer to the CDR logs and database. Critical warning. Please note, when batch mode is enabled, there is a risk of data loss after unsafe asterisk termination. For example, power loss, software crash, kill-9, etc. So, keep this in mind when using this feature. If you made any changes, you can save and apply changes. This makes the new optimization settings immediately active on your HAPBX server. Implementing CDR Batch Mode is a key strategy for managing high call volumes efficiently. Thank you for watching this HAPBX guide.